Welcome back with Chef Ricardo back in the kitchen one more time with your dishes, guys. Lovely dishes and amazing dishes, drinks, food, everything, you name it, and you also can claim it. Remember, Christmas is coming up very soon and we got a lot of recipe for Christmas. We start to put out some Christmas tips already and there's more to come. Enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the channel, and remember to get a copy of my cooking book online from Amazon, and it's the best price ever in this world. We love you. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Welcome back with Chef Ricardo cooking program this morning, guys. Today we want to show you can make yourself green banana porridge at home. First of all, I got 3 fingers of green banana right here. Remove the skin from the green banana and I'm going to put it straight inside of my smoothie blender like this. If you simply want to cut it up, you can also cut it up a little bit smaller. Just like this. Basically, as you can see right here, guys, this is the way all the green banana look. All you need to do is just remove it and peel it and blend it. Simple. Pour some milk. Oh wow. Roughly 8 cups of milk inside of the smoothie blender. Nice one. And cover your smoothie blender like this and simple blend it for roughly about 4 to 5 minutes. Nice and lovely. So now that is finished blended, all you're gonna do, simply take it and just take a good look. 3 fingers of green banana. Now we're gonna show you how to cook this at home inside of a pot and make yourself a nice lovely green banana porridge. Nice and lovely. Medium sized pot, empty, no water, nothing inside of it. And all you need to do is just boil up your kettle and put 1.5 cups of boiling water inside of the pot like this. 1.5 cups of boiling water and 1/2 cups of coconut milk. That's the coconut cream milk inside of the pot, and simple, just leave it for roughly about 10 minutes until it get boiled up. 5 minutes until it get boils up. Nice one. So it start to boil, and all you need to do is to get your blended banana, which is just green banana, which is just blended, and pour it straight inside of it like this. Nice one. So I throw all of my green banana, which I just blend up inside of it, and all I'm gonna do is simple leave it and make it cook for another good roughly 15 minutes and a medium size heat until you see it get really thick. As you can see, it's starting to get really thick already. Green banana porridge for breakfast. So it's gonna get really thick, but when it gets thick, that's the best way or you can control your porridge. When it's not thick, you cannot control it, guys. So as you can see, really thick, and it looks good so far. And cheese is a little bit thick like that. What I can always do is add a little bit more milk, just a little bit more, not too much. So as I always say, when you're making porridge, always put less water because you can correct it after. So leave this for it to cook for roughly one nice good 15 minutes on a medium size heat. Nice and lovely. As you can see, guys, I've been cooking this for roughly about 20 minutes now. But porridge, green banana porridge is a thing like this. When it's cooking like this, the scent which is coming from it, it's just amazing scent. So now we're gonna put some spices and some vanilla inside of it, I'm gonna put roughly a teaspoon of vanilla. That's the vanilla. And now we're gonna put some cinnamon, just a pinch of cinnamon. Cinnamon is strong, you have to be careful with cinnamon. You can't put too much because it's very strong. Next we're gonna put a pinch of mixed spice. Then next we're gonna put some grounded pimento. Grounded nutmeg. This is a nutmeg. 1 teaspoon, just a pinch. Love my spices. If I'm cooking and like I'm making my porridge like this and I'm not using spices, not gonna taste the way you want it to taste. Now we're gonna put some sweet condensed milk and taste as it goes along. The sweet meat. So that's the sweet condensed milk. Nice one. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna taste it and see if it needs more sugar or sweet condensed milk. Nice. Really nice. Only thing I'm gonna do now is just put a pinch of salt. Just a pinch of salt. I might add a little bit more condensed milk. Because on the sweet condensed milk I'm using, roughly about 4 tablespoons. That is beautiful. So now we're gonna I don't even have to taste it. Now we're gonna leave that and make it cook for another 6 more minutes. Then we're gonna share it out. Nice and lovely. So roughly about 6 minutes now since I have it cooking in the spices and the flavor and everything inside of it. So now this is ready. And we're gonna share it out now. It's a nice recipe, really good, and this is just be iron. So if you need iron, this is where you can get iron from. Green banana porridge. Enjoy the recipe. Nice and lovely. So now we're gonna just pour out some porridge straight inside of the bowl like this. Get everything out of it. Really nice. So as I can see, that is the green banana porridge, guys. Beautiful and nice. So enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the channel. We got a lot more recipe like this coming out for you, and see you next time. Enjoy. Bye bye. Is coming up for you guys. So thank you so much, and hopefully you have a wonderful time. Enjoy yourself and see you in the next time. Bye bye.